Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Date output. Let's start coding. By default, JavaScript will use the browser's time zone and display a date as a full text string. Let's create our first date object. Let new date equal new date. So date objects are created with new date constructor and semicolon. And let's use document write in this example. Document write and our variable name, new date. You can assign any name you want and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see full date and time. Let's have a look at date format. For example, I just want to display year or I just want to display month and etc. I want to comment out that one and I want to use document get element ID. Document get element by ID and our ID name, let's say time. Let's create our time ID here. I want to create a p tag with ID time. Let's save it and let's get back our JavaScript file and inner HTML equal new date, which is our variable name, dot get. When you type the get, you see all options as you see. Get full year, hours, millisecond, minutes, time, and some other formats. You can use any of them. In this example, let's test full year and brackets, then semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see full year. Let me make it wider and I can get it down, that one, to see it properly. And I want to copy that one and paste here and let me comment it out and let's say get month. Let's save it and have a look at it. We see our current month. We see a number as a result. That number is representing an array number. It means third element of array. Let me create an array for you guys. Let me get it up. Months equals and our array January. Let me create it quickly and we see all months in our array and semicolon. Now we just need to add something in our inner HTML to display our current month. Let me cut that one. I just need to use my array, which is month and our code new date dot get month. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our current month. Let me comment them out and let me copy that one and comment them this out too and paste that one more time. And I need to remove our array for this example. Let's use get hours one, hours. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see 15. It means 3 p.m. And let's have a look at minutes. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, 8. It means 8 minutes past 3. If you want, you can display seconds too. You just need to use seconds. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, when you refresh it, that second is going to change. Even you can display milliseconds. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can see milliseconds. Let's display date. Let's display day. You just need to type get day. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, 30 days of our current month. If you want, you can create same method to display name of the current day. Let's create an array. Let days and square brackets and Sunday and Monday. Let me type rest of them quickly and we need to add a semicolon. Let me cut that one. We need to do some changes as we did when we displayed months, days, and our new date dot get date. And we need to change that one, get day. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our current day. Let's create another example to display all things at the same time. Let me comment them out, that one, and I want to activate that one. So we have months and days, and let's get hours and minutes too. Let hours, new date, get hours and semicolon. Let me copy that one and paste 2 times. Let's make it that one minute and get minute. Let's make that one date and get date. And let's get our current month. Let month equal months, new date, get month, and bracket and semicolon. And we need to get full year. Let year, new date, get full year, and semicolon. And let's display all those things at the same time. Document get element by ID time dot inner HTML equal hours plus codes and minutes plus code and space, or we can put colon here and plus date and plus our codes and space and plus month and plus and codes and plus year and semicolon. By the way, there is a spelling mistake here, minutes. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see full date, but we don't see our current day. Let's add that one too. I just need to add day here. Let day equal days and new date dot get day and semicolon. And I just need to add day here. Let me get it down. I want to add here day plus quotes and plus. Let's put a space and we need to add brackets here. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see full date, day, time and full date. And let's say I want to show date now. I want to use document write for it. Document write and date dot now and brackets and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, the date now method returns the number of milliseconds since January 1, 1970. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.